Economics, where I, your friend and your tutor, helps you understand the world of economics and finance in the most simplest of ways.
Economics. The very first concept is a want. Now, what is a want? Now, want is a very subjective concept. It depends upon your personal opinions. Hence, it is difficult to define. Firstly, you need to understand it is difficult to define. Now, in your common language, it is called a need. What is your need right now? Do you need to take a nap? No, you need to pay attention. Okay, so in the common language, we will also call it as a need. Now, in the economic term, we call it as a lack of satisfaction. Now, what does lack of satisfaction mean? Because you don't have something, you want it, you need it. Look how I'm simultaneously using the two terms, right? Because you need it, you're not satisfied right now, right? So lack of satisfaction is the meaning in economic term. Now, because you are not satisfied, there is a scope. What is the scope for? Satisfaction, right? Because you are not satisfied, there arises a scope where your want or your need could be satisfied, right? So the scope is satisfaction of this want or need. Let's say you want to go to a Coldplay concert this month. You're done with that. You attended the concert. It was amazing. Next month, you probably want to go to a trip to Vegas, right? So what do we understand from that? Your wants or needs will keep growing. एक हो गया, उसके बाद दूसरा, right? वो हो गया, उसके बाद और एक. So what does that again tell you? There is always a desire to do better or want more. Right now, I'm teaching on a whiteboard. I want to teach in a digital platform, right? So that is my want, and the want will keep on growing. Let us look at the characteristics now. First one is wants are unlimited. Like I was saying, they are going to keep growing. You satisfy one, you will have another one, right? There is no end to this. You desire something right now, you achieve that, you'll probably desire something more, correct? So want is always going to be unlimited. Next, wants are recurring in nature. So every day you want to eat food, you need to satisfy your clothing demands, you want to have a shelter over your head. So what can we say from these? That your wants keep on coming back. That is, they are recurring in nature. Next, wants differ with age. When you were a child, you wanted more toys, you wanted more playtime. In your teenage phase, you probably demanded more electronics, like let's say mobile phones, laptops, video games, etc. When you become an adult, you demand more serious or mature goods, let's say a house, a car, etc. So wants will also differ with age. Next, wants differ with gender. So for simplicity, let's assume there are only two genders, males and females. Now females from the age of 10 to 40 demand or want something called as sanitary goods. Now what are these sanitary goods? These include your sanitary napkins, period pads, menstrual cups, etc. Now boys or males of a similar age do not need this good. They do not want this good. So we can clearly say that wants also differ with gender. Next, wants differ due to preferences. Your individual tastes, your habits matter a lot. Now, I might prefer to shop from Zara. You might prefer to shop from H&M. The word stressed upon here is preference, right? So what you want will differ from what my preference is. Next, wants also differ with seasons. For example, umbrella. Okay, umbrella, we definitely want to buy an umbrella in monsoon season, but we do not want umbrellas in winter seasons. So your wants can also differ due to seasons. Next, your wants differ due to culture. So all of you guys watching my video right now, some of you might be situated in North India, some of you might be situated in South of India or East for that matter. Now the preferences or the cultural upbringing of a North Indian child might be different from a South Indian child, right? So your wants will differ according to what your cultural leaning is. So wants also differ due to culture. Next, we'll cover classification of wants. And if you're finding these videos informative, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow Phenomics for more.